Hi everyone, I'm CD the Card Kid and welcome back to my YouTube channel. This video today I'm going to open up this Fairfield box that I got from Five Below for $5. It has 100 total cards, 2 packs, 2 rookie cards, 1 Hall of Fame card, 5 cards, 1 from each of the past 5 decades, and a storage cube. It has some visible cards, it had some packs, 2016 opening day. It had this Tajon Walker. There were also other ones like Robinson Cano, Mike Piazza, Brian Dozier, and this Babe Ruth one. So it's pretty cool. I had some trouble opening it though, so if you got one of these boxes, I would just suggest that you like scrape it off over there and on the other parts of it. So we're going to open it up. So the Tajon Walker card, it's pretty cool. It's just a normal card. We got all those and this pack. So we're just going to go through the random cards first. So we got Brian McCann, 2015, Barry Bonnell. Flip backwards. Home run, Tony Gwynn. Pretty cool. And we got Brad Ziegler, 2016. Kyle Schwarber from 2016 World Series. Darren Dalton. Greg Brock. John Candelaria, whatever his name is. David Wright from 2017. Andy Allenson. And Roberto Martin, Sherman Corbett, best base runner, Marquise Grissom, Julio Cruz, Chris Donnells, Joey Cora, Scott Terry, Bill North, Don Carmen, Tom Kelly, manager, Larry Anderson, Luis Quinones, Steve Lyons, Mark Lemke, another Mark Lemke, Scott Fletcher, Javier Ortiz, Kevin Belcher, 1992 Fleer Ultra, Jeff Blosser, Greg Jeffries, Jose Melendez, Eddie Rosario, 2016. Another Eddie Rosario. Max Kepler rookie card. So there are like some 2016s in here, some 2017s. Joe Mauer. So we got some Twins. Tracy Jones, Randy Milligan, Dan Pasqua. Some of these are like the exact same cards. Jim Gantner, William Suro, Steve Bedrosian, Mike Pagliarlo, whatever his name is, Kevin Seitzer, Craig Lefferts, Darren Reed, rookie prospect, Robbie Thompson, Top Stadium Club, Ken Caminti, Chuck Krim, Jack Brohammer, Marcus Simeon rookie card, Billy Butler, Freddie Freeman, it's pretty cool, Bill Wegman again, Ron Darling, Ed Vandenberg, Stan Belinda, Danny Darwin, Jay Howell again, Ty Griffin, Chili Davis, Omar Moreno, Gary Aredas, Jay Bunner, Rob Murphy, National League champs Tony Gwynn and Tim Raines, Bob Forsch, Bill Gullickson, Andy Van Slyke, Nolan Ryan, so that might be the Hall of Famer, I'm not sure. Chuck Grimm, probably could be more than one. Tim Cruz, Willie Randolph, Charlie Kerfeld, Brett Saberhagen, Neil Allen, Rick Renteria, Phil Garner. Seems like there's way more than 100, but there's only 100. Kevin Elster, Bruce Sutter, Rick Roden, Keith Moreland, Glenn Hoffman, Bill Simus, Gene Nelson, Tom Brunasky, John Mitchell, Tom Foley, Jose Cano, Luis Aguayo, Milt Thompson, Fred Lynn, Mike Maddox, Steve Rosenberg, Jarvis Brown rookie, Eric Hetzel, Ross Baumgartner, Bob Ojeda, Steve Avery, #1 draft pick Ty Griffin, 1990 rookies Steve Avery, and 1990 rookies Alex Cole, and a BJ Upton. So now for the packs, are the Babe Ruth packs, which are no good. They're just some random cards in these packs. So Babe Ruth selects his 42-ounce bat. Babe Ruth pitched an incredible 6 years for Boston. Publicly photo at New York Gym in 1933. Career achievements: 7-time World Series champion. And Ruth hams it up for the cameras. So 2016 opening day. Jacob deGrom, Roberto Ozuna, tops all rookie cup. Jacoby Ellsbury, Superstar Celebrations, Jake Arrieta, Lorenzo Cain, Alex Rodriguez, and Danny Valencia. So we got 2 Yankees in there and the insert of Jake Arrieta. So wasn't that good. We got some random cards in there, some current guys, but yeah, pretty much that. So I just noticed that I got 100 subscribers too, so I'm gonna do a video on that in the next couple of days. Well, probably maybe today or tomorrow. So go check that out. So thanks for watching, guys. If you liked the video, please drop a like and subscribe, and I'll see you later.